We're setting up at Beaver Creek Plantation in Twin City, Georgia. It's pretty much look like this all day. It is rainy, it is wet, it is muggy out here. But if I didn't know this crowd, I would be worried. But since I know this crowd, I know that if it's a hurricane, if there's a tornado outside our door, they're gonna party. So this is gonna be a good day regardless.
With his goodness and his grace. Ordinance in holy estate of matrimony. Will you love her, honor and keep her?
We got a lot of people here. We're trying to get the crowd controlled enough to announce the wedding party. It's a good crowd here. Wow.